Congratulations on your new purchase of a Ciao pizza oven. This instructional video will help you build your oven in under 30 minutes. The first step is to unbox your oven and all of its components, which are stored inside the oven body. Carefully unwrap each piece and check if you have all pieces. The tools you'll need to build your pizza oven are a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. The next step is to assemble the bottom shelf to the floor legs. Please note 2 legs will have stationary casters and 2 legs will have swivel casters. It's important to match the same type of caster to the same side, either left or right of your pizza oven. All legs have pre-drilled holes which should be installed facing outward on either side of the stand and not visible from the front or back of the pizza oven. The leg with the safety label should be used as the back leg for a cleaner look to your oven. Starting with one leg, align the bottom shelf with the pre-drilled holes closest to the casters. Use 4 C-screws to attach the bottom shelf to the leg. Repeat with the other 3 legs. The final stand should look something like this. If you've purchased the optional 8-inch riser, you will assemble the 3 parts together and attach it to the top of the 4 legs. It's important to note, do not assemble the oven body to the stand horizontally, as the cooking stones could shift out of place. With a partner, lift the oven body and gently place onto the stand. Align the pre-drilled holes and screw them into place. Repeat with the other 3 legs. Your pizza oven should now look like this. To assemble the chimney stack, align the 4 pre-drilled holes from the chimney cap to the chimney stack. Use 4 B-screws to secure together. Now that the chimney stack is assembled, align the stack over the pre-cut smoke exit on the top of the pizza oven. Use 4 C-screws to secure it in place. To install the chimney base cover, use 4 A-screws to secure it to the pizza oven. Install left, right handles and hooks. After installing the side handle and side shelf, pick a side of your oven to attach the accessory hooks for easy access to your tools. Make sure to install a single larger hook on the back leg of the stand. To assemble the wooden brush, screw the handle dowel into the brush head. Be sure to tap the bottom end of the brush on a flat, sturdy surface, and the brush will settle into place. Once it's fastened together, use the brush screw to secure it in place. To assemble the door handles, place a screw through the handle's hole, followed by a washer and an insulating pad. Align the screw through the pre-drilled hole on the door and add an insulation pad, washer, and 10mm bolt to the end. Tighten securely and repeat for the other end of the handle. Repeat for second handle. Finally, add the ashtray to the back of the pizza oven. You're all set to cook pizzas. Enjoy!